Hi everyone, and welcome to version 1 webinar on Oracle Java licensing changes part 2, which relates to the new change announced by Oracle in January 2023, which is Java SC Universal Subscription. My name is Akriti Sinha, and I'm a principal solution architect in version 1. I work with our clients to help them achieve their technical vision, and I also provide leadership and guidance to our engineering teams. In part 1, we have covered Java timeline, Oracle 3 license types, and what is covered and what isn't covered under those licenses. The 3 license matrix, named user plus, processor, and employee-centric matrix, and how each one of these are used to calculate the cost, and Oracle release models, which are categorized as long-term and non-long-term support version. What versions are included in each type and frequency of releases. So what we are going to cover today is the commercial features in Java and what is their significance. How would you make a decision? What is the best option for your organization? So we are listing what questions you should be asking to help you drive your decision. Now, based on your specific requirement, what will be your options? And finally, if you're looking to move to OpenJDK, what options would you have? Oracle provides some commercial features as part of its Oracle GDK. These commercial features were typically not available in open source distributions like OpenJDK, but with release of new versions, some of these features are now included in OpenJDK. However, the full versions of these features might not be still present in all the cases. The level of support and security may vary too. We have listed here a list of commercial features which we are aware of at the time of recording this series. Java Flight Recorder is a diagnostic tool designed for identifying any performance bottlenecks, detecting issues, and performance optimization of Java application. This used to be a commercial feature until Java 8 and needed to be specifically enabled using a flag. However, it isn't a commercial feature from Java 11 onwards and also available with OpenJDK. So if you're using this feature and using an older version of Java, you may want to upgrade your version so that you can use it for free. Java Mission Control. This is again a diagnostic tool which is closely integrated with Java Flight Recorder. It allows user to capture detailed data from JFR and analyze it in JMC. It can be now downloaded separately for different Java SC releases and also for open source OpenJDK. Java MSI Installer. This is an installer to install OpenJDK and JRE and on Windows. Oracle states that it is only available via My Oracle support for the individuals who hold licenses for Java SC subscription, Java SC desktop subscription, Java SC Advanced, and Java SC Advanced Desktop. MSI installers for Java JRE version 7, update 95 and beyond, as well as JRE 8, update 20 and later are available. However, it's worth noting that an MSI installer is not provided for JRE 6. You may want to review your usage of MSI and what license does your organization hold. Java Usage Tracker. So this tracks how your JRE is being used in your system. This remains a commercial feature and is available as part of Java SC Universal Subscription. Java Advanced Management Control. This enhances the control and convenience of system administrators when it comes to like maintaining Java version compatibility and applying any security updates for desktops within their enterprise. This is included with Java SC subscription and Java SC Advanced and requires a commercial license for utilization in a production environment. It can be accessed via My Oracle support or the Java Advanced Management Console download page. So overall, it's a good idea for you to review what features which may be classified as commercial you're using. Once you have the list, you will review each one of them separately alongside your version of Java. So if you're looking to review your usage of Java and find out the impacts of the new Java SC Universal Subscription, we believe that your organization should be asking following questions. First of all, you need to find out what version of Java you're using. Once you're aware of that, you need to find out if there are any exclusions available for your version of Java. If you're using a version onwards Java 17, you may be still under free usage terms under certain conditions, which we will discuss more in detail. You'll have to review if you're using any commercial features, and if you do, based upon the information we shared in previous slide, you may want to find out if they are still a commercial feature for your version of the Java. So if they are, still you may need to see if upgrade to your version makes it free or not. You may also want to review how important is that feature for you, and if you want to continue using it. There may be other instances like Java Flight Recorder where your organization is looking to switch to OpenJDK, and the commercial feature might be available in OpenJDK as well, and it has become already a non-commercial feature. We will discuss the switching to OpenJDK as an option as well in later slides too. So if you're planning to switch to OpenJDK, you may want to review that how important are the security updates for your organization and how frequent you want it, as there will be instances where these updates won't be as frequent as you would like it to be. Another point to think about is what is the level of support do you require from Oracle? Definitely the paid versions would have more immediate and constant support as compared to the open source version you're going for. And at last, what is the budget of your organization? Do you want it absolutely for free, or can you compromise on the frequency of releases, security updates? So now, if you have absolutely decided that you don't want to pay for Java SDK, what will be your options? Here, we are proposing 3 options which you want to review and see if they are fit for your organization. First of all is the upgrade to Java 17. Under the NFTC or no fees terms and conditions license, Java 17 onwards have been made available for free. It is also free for commercial usage. The long-term support versions will have a free usage period. After that time finishes, you'll be required to upgrade to the next LTS version within the 1 year of its release. The only downside of this is that you'll have to be always on top of it and have to be always on the newest LTS version available. Failing to do so, you'll be caught under Java SC Universal Subscription. Another option may be not the best fit for everyone, but if your organization is on-prem and looking to migrate to cloud, you may need to review Oracle Java infrastructure, and if it would be a best option in your case. Also, there might be a case that you're already an OCI user. In that case, if you're using a version of Java prior to 17, it would be free to use if you use OCI with the OCI products identified as the Oracle Platform as a Service and Infrastructure as a Service products, and you are maintaining a subscription for such OCI products. The third option would be migrating to open source implementation of Java like OpenJDK. OpenJDK being open source would be free. However, there will be some limitations when compared to Oracle JDK. We will cover that more in detail onto the next slide. So the OpenJDK options. Oracle JDK is exclusively developed by Oracle Corporation, while OpenJDK is a collaborative effort, including Oracle, the wider Java community, and prominent companies such as Red Hat, Azure System, etc. So here we have mentioned a few open source, in general, free implementation of OpenJDK, like Amazon, Corate, Microsoft OpenJDK, etc. As we mentioned earlier, there will be some limitations when we compare the OpenJDK to Oracle JDK, like frequency of release, level of support, etc. Also, Oracle will roll out new releases every 3 years, whereas OpenJDK will have a release cadence of every 6 months. Oracle ensures long-term support for its releases, whereas OpenJDK support extends only until the next version is released. There may be some differences in features as well, like Oracle has Java Mission Control, while OpenJDK has font renderer. When making a move from Oracle to OpenJDK, it is important to evaluate the features you're currently using with your Oracle JDK and the impacts when migrating to OpenJDK. On the other hand, it is also important to evaluate the requirement of support, security, and release cycle frequency within your organization, as there may be an instance you want security patches to be available readily rather than waiting for the next release. So yeah, that's all for part 2. If you would like to refer to part 1 of this series, we have provided the link here for you. We also have a mega blog released around Oracle Java SC Universal Subscription if you want to go more into detail. And finally, if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us using the contact us form provided here. Lastly, thank you all for your time today.